Business Central, it's possible to work with different unit of measure codes on the warehouse entries if you have set up on the location the checkmark directed put away and pick. This means the item ledger entries will always be transformed into base unit of measure code. So in this scenario, I have two item ledger entries on my item 1100, and they will be both entered in pieces. Whereas if I go into my warehouse entries on this item, I can see here that I have both unit of measure code box and unit of measure code pieces. This is only possible on a location with the directed put away and pick checkmark. Let's show you how this works. If I'm looking at my locations, if I'm entering the location with the directed put away and pick, one of the locations that I have here, it's possible to set the checkmark, allow breakbulk that also indicates that we're working with unit of measures. Whereas if I take my main location that has all the checkmark for warehouse but not the directed put away and pick, and I scroll down, it's not possible to maintain the bin policies about allowing breakbulks. If I go back on my entries, I can see if I filter on my location code and I look at the main location, on my warehouse entries, they will only contain the base unit of measure, even though they are purchase received in boxes. Whereas if I look at my VMS location, it's possible to have different unit of measure codes, and I can use breakbulks on the inventory to handle to see whether the item is stored in one unit of measure or the other unit of measure code.